Hello. Today, I will talk about how to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool to find inner peace and relieve daily stress. In this video, I will explain the steps of mindfulness in an easy-to-understand way that even beginners can easily take, so please watch until the end. 1. What is mindfulness? First, let's briefly explain what mindfulness is. Mindfulness is focusing your attention on this moment and accepting the moment as it is. It is important to feel here and now without judging or evaluating. Mindfulness is a form of meditation, but it can also be practiced in everyday life. This will reduce stress and anxiety and keep your mind calmer. 2. Preparation for starting mindfulness. Find a quiet place. To practice mindfulness, first find a quiet and calm place. A relaxing place such as a corner of a room or a park bench is ideal. The right environment will make it easier to calm your mind. Assume a relaxing posture. Next, assume a relaxing posture. If you are sitting on a chair, straighten your back and place your feet firmly on the floor. If you are sitting on the floor, sit in a comfortable position with your back straight. Good posture will make it easier to breathe deeply. Focus on your breathing. Once you are in a good posture, close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Breathe in slowly and exhale slowly. At this time, calm your mind in time with the rhythm of your breathing. And focus your attention on the present moment. 3. Basic ways of practicing mindfulness. Let's take a look at the basic ways of practicing mindfulness. Focus on your breathing. The basis of mindfulness is to focus on your breathing. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Breathe in slowly through your nose and feel your lungs expand. Then, breathe out slowly through your mouth and focus on the feeling of tension being released from your body. At this time, do not forcefully get rid of the thoughts and feelings that come to your mind, but simply recognize that thoughts have come to mind, and let them go. Bring your attention back to your breathing and focus on the rhythm of your breathing. Do a body scan. A body scan is a way to focus your attention on each part of your body to find and release any areas of tension or discomfort. Focus on each part of your body in turn, from the soles of your feet to the top of your head. For example, focus on the sensations in your body, such as feeling the soles of your feet, or feeling your calves. If there is any part that is tense, focus your attention on that part. Breathe in slowly, and relax by imagining that you are breathing into that part. Do this throughout your whole body. Pay attention to the sounds of the outside world. As part of mindfulness, you can also pay attention to the sounds around you. Close your eyes and listen to the sounds around you. Focus your attention on the sounds that are present in this moment, such as birds chirping, the sound of the wind, and people talking. When you hear a sound, simply accept it and try not to evaluate or judge it. This practice will help you develop the ability to accept what is present in the present moment as it is. Mindfulness walking. One of the mindfulness practices that can be easily incorporated into daily life is mindfulness walking. This is a method of focusing your attention on the walking action while walking. When walking, pay attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the movement of your muscles as your feet move, and the scenery and sounds around you. This makes your daily commute time a time to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness while eating. It is also possible to practice mindfulness while eating by paying attention to the taste, aroma, and texture of food and eating slowly while chewing. You can increase the satisfaction of your meal by consciously slowing down your eating speed and enjoying the taste of this moment with each bite. You can make your meal a richer experience. 4. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life. Incorporate it into your daily routine. In order to make mindfulness a habit, it is important to incorporate it into your daily routine by practicing mindfulness for a few minutes when you wake up in the morning or before going to bed. You can calm your mind and prepare for a peaceful day. Start for a short time. If you are practicing mindfulness for the first time, it is best to start with a short time. 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Once you get used to it, gradually increase the time. Use smartphone apps. There are many apps that support mindfulness. If you use an app that provides a guided mindfulness session, even beginners can easily get started. Be grateful. At the end of each day, take time to reflect on the day and feel grateful. Remembering the good and happy things and feeling grateful for them can help cultivate positive emotions. 5. Effects of mindfulness. Stress reduction. Many studies have proven that practicing mindfulness on a continuous basis can reduce everyday stress. By focusing your mind on the present, you can be freed from worries about the future and regrets about the past. Improve concentration and attention. Continuing mindfulness will improve your concentration and attention. This is because practicing mindfulness in the present moment naturally develops the ability to concentrate in other activities as well. Emotional control. Practicing mindfulness makes it easier to control your emotions. By simply feeling emotions such as anger and sadness, you will be able to calmly deal with them without being consumed by them. Ending. Cherish this moment appears on the screen. Did you enjoy today's video? I hope that incorporating mindfulness will enrich your daily life even a little. We will continue to provide videos that support mental health. So don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Well then, see you in the next video. Thank you.